Magandang ako.
Sana all.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. You're turning here at 91.4 Barkada FM, SITVHS Station. Ako ang inyong tagapaglingkod, DJ na mahilig sa masarap at mahaba, DJ Ding!
At ako naman ang inyong cutie DJ, DJ Rai, na mas mainit pa sa init ng panahon, na maghahatid ng mga kwentong kapupulutan ng aral para sa inyong lahat. Ngayong umaga, papasok tayo sa puso ng isang kwento tungkol sa tagumpay sa kabila ng mga pagsubok at pagyakap sa iyong tunay na sarili. Magsighanda para sa The Runway of Resilience.
You are beautiful, you are unique, and you are enough. Yan ang ating paniniwalaan, di ba, DJ Rai?
Tama ka dyan, DJ Ding. At ang kwento na ating ibabahagi ngayong gabi ay magpapatunay na ang pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili ay ang pinakamagandang regalo na maiibigay mo sa sarili at sa mundo.
So, let's meet our main character na itatago natin sa pangalan na Rigor.
Rigor, Rigor, Rigor. Rigor, Rigor, Rigor.
He is a young man who's struggling to find his place in a world that doesn't always understand him. But he's got a heart of gold in a dream that's bigger than any obstacles.
Rigor was a bright and talented young man, but his high school years were a constant struggle. He was different, and his classmates made sure he knew it.
Hoy Rigor, kumusta? In-game ka naman ba sa kabaklaan mo?
Bakit? Crush mo ba ako?
Sa mukhang yan, baka nga lilipat si Jollibee ng McDo kapag makita ka eh.
Hoy, George, tumigil ka nga.
At bakit, Marites?
Dahil lang sa mas malaki ka, hindi ibig sabihin na mas magaling ka. Si Rigor ay kanganga. At baka nga mas kakatakutan ka pa kay Jollibee at lilipat yon ng mag-inasal kapag makita ka.
Salamat, Marites, ha? Maaasahan ka talaga.
Pagtatanggol talaga kita kasi crush kita. Pag maging model ka na, Rigor, sana wag mong kalimutang bilhan ako ng liyempo, ha? Ako ng liyempo, ha?
Oh my God! Wow! Abay, oo naman!
Rigor's best friend, always by his side, tried to shield him from the bullies, but the dance continued.
Ang nanay ni Rigor na nag-aalala sa kanyang anak ay sinubukang maging supportive.
Rigor! Anak! Are you okay? Kanina ka patahimik dyan ah.
Mom, I just want to be myself. Why does everyone make fun of me?
Honey, you're perfect. Just the way you are. Huwag mong hayaan na makapasok sa iyo ang bullying na yan. Malakas at matatag ka.
I just want to be happy.
Rigor's dreams were fading. He felt trapped in a world that didn't understand him. Years passed, and Rigor found solace in fashion. He discovered a world where individuality was celebrated.
Hello, you must be Rigor. I've seen your portfolio. You have a unique look. I'm looking for a new face for my next collection. Would you be interested in auditioning?
Yes, of course!
Rigor's talent and confidence shone through at the audition. He was chosen to be the face of the designer's new line.
I'm not ashamed anymore. I'm proud who I am. I'm gay and I'm beautiful. Kahit itutumba niyo ako, tatayo at mabubuhay pa rin ako na parang si Tanggol. I am Rigor, proud to be confidently beautiful with a heart. This is my story.
Rigor walked the runway with grace and confidence. The world was watching. He was no longer the bullied boy. He was a star.
Ang paglalakbay ni Rigor ang nagturo sa kanya na ang tibay at pagtanggap sa sarili ay malakas na pwersa. Ginamit niya ang kanyang plataforma upang magbigay ng inspirasyon sa iba na yakapin ang kanyang tunay na sarili.
At dito magtatapos ang ating kwento. Don't forget that you are beautiful, you are unique, and you are enough.
Maganda ka, kakaiba ka, sapat ka na.
Again, I'm DJ Rai.
And this is DJ Ding. Stay tuned!